my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself.
Chidalo. Hey, come on, stay this side. What of you stay this side?
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Juliet Uju.
Say hi, Joe. Say hi. So fam, we are going to the market. I was going to a K market when I saw this my friend. You people know her now. She has appeared on this channel, I think once or twice.
Once.
Is it once?
Yes.
That day that you were making Chinenye's hair?
Yes, it's once.
Okay. Then this one, I don't really know her, but it's a friend. So I'm going with them to the market. Join us, fam. Let's go together.
How are you guys doing today? Welcome to AK Market.
Job. Yeah. How you doing? Egusi, how much? Okay. I get my own 4 cups. Crayfish 1. This crayfish.
So fam, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please like the video, share the video, comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification button so that you don't get to miss any of my video. Please watch this video to the end, okay?
Nka machine pick or hand pick? Machine. Hi. Yes, ma. So fam, we are grinding it by ourselves because anybody that buy anything that they're going to grind here, you have to grind it by yourself here. This is for Obono and this one is for Egusi. So you have to grind it by yourself because the people that are selling something here do not get time. They don't have chance. Chidalo easy, so you don't wound yourself.
A few minutes later.
So fam, Shidalu is my very good friend. So she's the one that helped me to grind it. She willingly helped me to grind it. So now she's packaging everything inside the nylon. She has finished grinding it and we are going to buy some other things.
Ego na ginere?
100.
Aboko ito no 4. 4 ka nne go na. Nyamu nke 300. Agwa no bugo akwe mara ya mon.
Mami aman. I get testing. Don't you?
Test ya. Ebe test bitelo onu.
Ngezo dem testing. I got to chare ya bililo. Ay ama to chale mano so test.
We are here to buy knife. There is a type of knife that we are here to buy, but is almost like this, but it's not exactly like this one. This one is old. I don't know if they will have it. We'll have to mama. Ndane nwe azu odi azu. How much be this one?
That was 300.
This one, uncle?
500. Oh, I know the wash.
This one, not the wash. I laugh and laughing. This one now, if I buy this type, but this type now, this one don't wash finish.
Who tell you?
You don't wash.
This is how much? Both of them. We're gonna cost 300.
How much this one?
I go to come here. You go to 300.
Help you, they say your market.
I hope say my own complete though.
Complete.
You complete, Abi? I tie am. Then
Why put this one?
yeah, one. Now one you go put. Then bring needle.
100 naira.
Only 100 naira for needle.
Yeah,
No be 50 naira.
300 naira. What?
Okay, 300 naira. Aya now.
All of them.
Put them for that your. Put them for that your this thing. Well, yeah. So fam, this is Chinenye's slippers, and the slippers are spoiled. So I want to repair it. I want to buy earring for Chinenye and Osinachi. I don't know which one. You get this type of my own. Why are they wear? You not get them. I don't know which one I should buy for them.
Because to buy original food stuff.
How much be original food stuff?
1,000.
Hey, I'm not gonna
No,
buy
the
money.
1,000.
I'll buy that one now.
This one how much?
Buy that one 150.
150 be waiting.
This one 150.
This one is good now.
The goose. This one is goose.
This one how much?
100 naira.
You get this one and that one.
We go telephone.
You know that
How many go for?
they used to go school now.
Okay.
They used to go.
That one.
Fail. How much?
500, 200. Okay, correct.
Come and give me this one Chidarabi. Eh? Which one do you think we should take? Or this one? Which one?
Take this one.
I don't want the one that has photo. Diana, put this one that she said she put.
A few minutes later.
So fam, we are going home. We are finished buying everything that we are buying, and we are leaving. Okay? See you at home.
See you.
See you at home. I'm talking.
So fam, we are back from the market, and the other girl has gone home. It's only my friend Shidalo that followed me to my house. So I showed them the earring I bought for Osinachi and Chinenye, and they were so happy. So I decided to wear them by myself. I first started by wearing Osinachi her own, then I proceeded to Chinenye because Osinachi is the last one. So Chinenye, come, let me wear your own. People are looking good. And I bought Nigo as well. I want to go out. I bought Nigo and cheese.
A few minutes later.
I'm watching this bitter leaf because after buying it, it is still bitter. So I'm watching it before I can be able to use it.
They wash it.
They wash it though, but I still want to wash it. I don't want to parboil it. That's why I'm washing it. I don't want to parboil it
because
because
it is bitter leaf and it can be bitter.
this is how to wash bitter leaf.
So guys, this is the bitter leaf. Look at the bitter leaf. That's bitter leaf that you saw my auntie washing. This is the bitter leaf here. So this is air there. I look at bitter leaf under it. Eh? This is what they are calling this now?
Melon, egusi.
Okay, melon, egusi, the grounded one.
So I'm pounding it. There is a way I want to use and prepare this egusi. How our village people used to prepare it. So they used to call it arogono. So that's how I am preparing it. I've never cooked this type before.
that it will be in village that you learn this?
I love it here. This is how they used to cook it sometimes. So normally they used to add it onubu and that is the leaf.
Come together, I think.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with.
So fam, this is how to prepare this particular soup. They used to pound it very well so that the egusi we have, that is the melon, we have lumps. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Please like my video, share my video if you have enjoyed it. Like the video, comment and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Seriously, we enjoyed this night, no be small. Even my younger brother, when he came back, he was surprised because I've never cooked this kind of soup before. It's my mom that used to cook it for us. So but he was surprised that I was able to get it like this, and it was very delicious. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Come and enjoy with us. Even my uncle said I should give him.